Team Kojak presents Tree Your Data, Unifying Your Databases Using Triples. It's an ordinary Monday morning.
Hi, Ken in Legacy Systems.
Hi, Jochen, CEO of top financial institution National Kensington Bank. What can I do for you?
I've just acquired New Insurance, a major insurance company. I think there's a very good chance that our share price might double in the next 24 hours. That's because, Ken, we're going to focus on the customers who make us money. Those customers who keep having accidents or have nothing in their bank accounts will be seeing some pretty sharp increases in costs. Or maybe they will leave us altogether.
Brilliant idea, sir.
So I just need you to get me a list of all those customers. I can wait here while you do it.
There might be a problem with that, sir.
Problems. You legacy system people, you're always telling me there's a problem. What is it this time? I'm an important CEO and I need that information.
Well, that information will be in two completely different databases. Even worse, they'll probably be organized differently in different schema. I just can't run a query that will compare the data in two different systems.
But I need it by lunchtime. How long is it going to take?
Well, these data unification exercises are supposed to take 3 months, but they usually take around 2 years if they finish at all.
That's not exactly lunchtime, is it, Ken from Legacy Systems? Think, man, think.
What if I ask Adam from the future?
You mean the handsome devil who's just installed MarkLogic 7?
That's exactly who I mean. So, Adam, I've got this terrible problem. CEO Jochen from the boardroom wants a list of all our joint customers so he can get rid of the unprofitable ones.
So
that's going to mean unifying heterogeneous schema from disparate data sources. Here's the two schema. They're nothing alike. How am I going to get this done? I'm going to be fired by lunchtime.
Well, it's a good job you came to me, Ken. It just so happens I've been importing claims documents from the new insurance company. I've also set up connections to those two databases you were talking about. Let's see what we can do. There's a vibrant open source community with MarkLogic. Someone has developed this easy, reusable RDB to RDF thing that should do exactly what you need.
That sounds great.
It sure does, Ken. What's even better, it uses a W3C open standard for direct import of RDBMS data to a triple store. And you know how we're all about using open standards. Let's see now. Okay, so which databases do you want?
The New Insurance Co. and the National Kensington Bank ones.
Okay, I'll import everything in the New Insurance Co. one first.
Yeah, right. Like you can just import data as is.
Watch me, Ken.
Wow, that was quick.
You betcha, Ken. Now for the other one. Ha! Done. Now let's take a quick look. Here you go, you see, all the data ready to explore.
Nice. But what about just finding the joint customers?
Well, let's run a query that creates joint customer entities for people with the same dates of birth and names. This adds a bunch more triples into MarkLogic. This means our future queries will be much simpler. You can just search for joint customer entities and go from there.
Hey, that almost looks like SQL.
Yes, well, if you like that sort of thing, I suppose. I'm more of a subject-predicate-object man myself. As you see, we're linking all National Insurance Company clients to National Kensington Bank customers.
Easier than creating a whole new schema. That would take months.
Yeah, I bet. And the beauty is we're not altering the existing data, just adding new facts. Right, we're done. Let's just find joint customers. You see, Ken, from here we can search for all related information. What else did you need?
I need to find dodgy customers, so those with Kensington National Bank balances less than £50 and with expensive claims, the most expensive insurance claims being those involving pedestrians. Oh, but wait, they're in documents, not a database. That's a totally different type of data. We're stuck again.
Calm down, dear. We can totally do that. Okay, so here are your poor joint customers. Now let's combine this with a content search to find the list of all customers with claims document with the word pedestrian in them. See, Ken, done. Now I click here and you can get a file for the CEO's Excel viewing pleasure. Job done.
Job done indeed. I've never seen software so flexible and powerful. It's a miracle.
No, Ken, it's Enterprise NoSQL in MarkLogic 7. Time for us to get in the fast lane.
I've got that data you wanted, sir.
Good man. I knew I could count on you.
At first I thought what you were asking for was really hard, but Adam helped me realise.
It was just a matter of semantics.
You guys. Oh, you guys.